Okay, question number 3 says, which graph represents a function with a domain, remember domain is x, of all real numbers greater than or equal to -7 and less than 2. So I'm only looking at the numbers on the x. And it needs to go from -7 to 2. From -7 to 2. Okay? So I can automatically eliminate some answers. Like this one is going from -2 to 7. That's not right. This one's going from -7 to 2. This one's going from -4 to 1. But they try to trick you because look at the range. The range goes from -7 to 2. That's not right. They didn't say range, they said domain. Okay, so I'm looking at this, not this. Okay, and then this one is going from -3 to 2. But they try to trick you again because the range goes from -7 all the way to 2. So you have to understand that domain is the x. It goes from left to right. So -7 was on the left and 2 was on the right. Okay, and greater than or equal to means it's a closed dot. Less than means open dot. That's why there's an open dot here and a closed dot here.